anti-inflammatory.
So ginger and turmeric is the GI crops of Northeast.
We are collaborating with other higher profits, higher incomes. We may have been giving jobs or
our institute for granting permission to organize such a meaningful program. And also we are thankful to
facilitate applying at developed level in my
During this training, I have not
training. So first of all, during the training program, we came to know about the gap between the production and productivity when we compare.
But marketing is also very important. See, when it comes to ginger and turmeric, if we talk about the production of Northeast,